Hello everyone, so let's start a new lab session of Microsoft Excel. So this is a very small lab session. Here in this lab session we'll see one shortcut key to save a Excel file. So let me open. So to open it you can simply write Excel. One Excel file is open. Now if I'm writing here check shortcut key for save, you see, for saving the content. Okay, so you see, if you want to save this particular content or this file, earlier we had to go there, save or save as, and we have to save the files. Okay, but if this is a very long process, that is, you have to go to this file, then click on save or save as, and your file was saved. Okay, now we'll learn today how to save using shortcut key. Okay, so for saving the content or saving an Excel file, the shortcut key is Control and S. You see, if I show you the keyboard, so to save the Excel file you have to press Control and S. This, okay, this Control plus S will be used to save your Excel file or the content of the Excel file. You see, I have written this thing. Now if I want to save, I can simply press Control and S. You see, it is asking for the location because this file is not saved in any location or any folder. So let me choose the desktop, and let's say test file. I'm simply writing it and click on save. It is saved now. You see, when I click here, it is appearing here. Now double click on it. Now you see, if I'm writing anything here, let's say new line, and if I want to save, I don't have to go to this file and this save and save as, etc. You simply write anything here. This is line 3 or line 2, line 3, anything you have written, and if you want to save it, you can simply click this or use this shortcut key, that is Control plus S. So let me simply press Control and S. You see, it is saved now. You see, when I close it and when I open it, it is appearing. Okay, now if I'm writing line 4 and if I'm pressing Control S, it is saved. If you close it and if you want to see it again, it is asking, or it will show line 4. So this is a shortcut key, that is Control plus S, is used to save your content or this file in a particular location, or if it is saved in a particular location or folder, and if you modify this Excel file, that content will be saved in that location by pressing Control and S. So this is the shortcut key, and as you practice more and more, instead of going to this location, your Control S shortcut key will be used very much. So practice at your home, and if you have any doubt, then write me on the comment section. Thank you very much.